up guys? It's been a while since I uploaded the last video, and today I want to take a close look at the particle. Many of my students asked me how to use the particle, and today I'm going to give you with 4 just sentences to cover the whole the usages. If you're N1 and 2 learners, did you know that nite particle became the particle historically? It happened in a Heian era. I'm not going to talk about the history here, which means you can replace the particle into nite particle. Well, however, we don't normally use nite particle on a daily basis. We use nite particle for a business language and a formal speech. The particle has 3 categories. They are means and ingredient, cause and reason, and time and place. So then, are you ready for it? So let's get started.
今年で This is a minor usage of de for Japanese learners. Time of de is used for age or duration of time, for or since in English. In modern Japanese, age of de can be omitted. 私は今年で35歳になる。I'm gonna be 35 years old. We cannot cut out the in case of since and for because it is very unnatural. 創業5年になるチョコレートの店で Do not use a ni particle here because the particle place is used when one's activity takes place in or at somewhere, whereas ni particle is very limited when it comes to place such as niあります, niいます. These are verbs that indicate the state of existence, and others are to live, sumu, to stay, tomaru, to work, tsutomeru. These are actions that doesn't indicate the activity take places. ここで when you want to express for how much you buy things, we use that particle. 2000円もするチョコレートを買った。帰る電車の中で Well, this isn't an example of transportation, but I'd like to mention means of transportation. For instance, 車で仕事に行きます。I commute to work by car. パッケージを見ていたら、英語で We use the particle for in which languages and with what of what way. This is a bit disgusting example. 白き虫の甲ごとに刺し鶴を毛抜きにて抜けば。by 宇治周囲物語。Modern Japanese translation is 白い虫が穴ごとに出てきたから、それを毛抜きで抜いたら、little white worms came out from each hole, so when I pulled them out with tweezers, カカオ 60% で usage of ingredients is what the things are made of, out of, with, or in which country they are produced. この机は木でできている。This desk is made of wood でできている。と書かれていることに気がついた。戻って他のチョコレートと交換しようと思ったその時、事故で Normally, in this usage, reasons are bad reasons that cause problems. The sentence before the is the reason or cause for after the sentence. For example, あやは風邪で休みです。あや is absent because of a cold. で電車が止まってしまった。なので、今日は諦めて、電話で means of the ingredient again, in this case, by what? どんなチョコレートがあるかを聞くことにした。
Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon. If you have any request on what you want me to post, then just give me a comment below. See you next time. またね。